In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the three-panel workflow in Google NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in your materials, ask the right questions, and capture polished outputs, all within a clean, three-panel layout that keeps you focused. Let's start on the left with the Sources panel, your knowledge base. This is where you add everything you want the AI to work with, like PDFs, Google Docs, or notes. Click Add Source, upload your materials, and they'll appear in a tidy list. You can click any source to preview it or make it the focus of your session, which helps the AI pay attention to the most relevant documents. A quick tip: name your files clearly. Things like Chapter 1 or Marketing Plan make it easier to find and reference what you need as you go. In the center is the Chat panel, the engine room where you interact with the AI. Type natural prompts to get what you need from your sources. You can ask it to summarize a document, pull out key takeaways, or transform content into a study guide. The important thing to remember is that the AI responds based only on what you've uploaded. It's not pulling in outside information, so the quality of your results depends on the quality and clarity of your sources. If you want more precise answers, mention the document title or section you're focusing on right in your prompt. On the right is the Studio panel, your workspace and output area. Use it to save important answers from the chat, jot down your own notes, and shape everything into something shareable. With the help of AI, you can generate an audio or video overview, build a mind map, draft a slide deck, or compile a report. Think of it as the place where raw insights from the chat turn into final deliverables. Here's how the workflow comes together. First, add your sources to the left so the system has a solid foundation. Next, move to the center and ask your questions, such as summarize this file or explain the main idea. Finally, refine what you get. Follow up in the chat by asking for adjustments like make it simpler, until the answer matches your purpose. As you refine, save the best parts into the studio so you can organize and export them later. That's the three-panel workflow: gather, ask, and refine. Then capture your results in the workspace. Try it with a small set of well-named files, and you'll see how quickly your research and writing become clearer and faster.